Okay, fine, guys. We'll start. First of all, myself, Veera. I'm having an 6+ years of experience. Myself, Veera. I'm having an 6+ years of experience. Here today, we'll be going with data analytics masterclass, masterclass one. We'll be having first of all, I'll be giving you the I'll be giving you the overall view of the demos on how many demos we were going to be conducted and how many classes we were going to be done in this session. Now we'll be going with this part. After that, we'll start one by one, like how, what exactly is data analytics. These all things we'll see one by one. Before that, we will see first of all this is day one demo 1 or masterclass 1, day 2 demo 2 or masterclass 2, day 3 demo 3 or masterclass 3. After this, in this demo 3 or we'll be going with starting with class 1. After this, class 2, class 3. Okay, this many free sessions you guys were receiving. You guys were receiving almost, you guys were receiving almost 5 free sessions. After that, link will be changed. You guys have to enroll for the course. After this, you have to enroll. Okay, no free classes after this. Okay, okay, fine. Here, first of all, I can see the people gathered over here, people who were attending this session were from IT or non-IT people who want to switch their jobs, who want to switch their jobs to, data analytics. And also people freshers will be there, and not only this, IT, non-IT, and freshers will also there who want to switch their jobs to data analytics, who want to transition their career into this. Might be IT means like few people working with any other domain who wanted to transition their career into this data analytics. That kind of people I can see, I think. And also non-IT people who were working like non-IT roles, completely. Okay, there will there that kind of people also were attending this session. Freshers also will attending this session who want to transition their career into data analytics. Here, this course is for everyone. This course is for everyone. This analytics course is for everyone. Experienced, IT, non-IT, and freshers. Everyone. Why? Because like Why? Because like data analytics is not only data analytics is diversified field. Diversified field. Not only into the IT, in each and every business sector. In each and every business sector. In each and every business sector or business domain, data analysts were there. Data analysts were there. In each and every business, every business. Not only, for example, if I see the sectors, suppose if I see the sectors of the business, sectors, suppose sectors, retail, chemical, retail industry, chemical industry, manufacturing, pharma, pharma. If you see the any other business sector, not only this, every business sector, every business sector, data analysts were involved. And also the question arises like few guys were from not from I. You'll be having a question like I'm not from from the I'm not from the BTech part, whether I am eligible for this course or not. I'm not from the BTech part, whether I'm eligible for this course or not. If you're from any other education background, not if you're from any other education background, you're from any other education background, it doesn't matter. This course is for everyone. Why? Because like in each and every industry, data analysts were there. Suppose how they are going to pick you. Suppose if you are from pharma, if you're from an pharmaceutical course, something you have done, B pharma you have done. Suppose if you're from B pharma, pharma industries will pick your resume. Pick your resume. Why? Because like why? Because domain knowledge matters. Domain knowledge matters. This part will go with this part. Before this, we'll go with this part. We'll go with this part. One second. We'll continue this at the end. Before this, what is data analytics? And before this, what is data? Any one of you? You guys can unmute yourself and you guys can answer. What is data analytics and what is data? What is data analytics and what is data? Any one of you, please. Please, guys, no answer. No answer. What is data analytics? Any one of you, please. No answer. What kind of information you guys were having regarding this data analytics part? What you guys are aware of this? What kind of information you guys were having regarding this data analytics part? Any one of you, please. Guys, any one of you? No one, no answer.
Okay, it's analyzing data.
Okay, analyzing data. One answer. Any one of you? Okay, we'll analyze data. Any one of you? Okay, fine. See, if you see the generally, if I say uh, data analytics is nothing but data analytics is nothing but which the story which data tells. Data analytics is nothing but the story which data tells. What kind of story and information is exactly present inside that particular data? What kind of story and information the data is saying. If I give you an example of good example, previously, Three Idiots movie, all of you guys were aware of that. Most probably that Three Idiots movie was actually a book, 5.7 book. Majority of the Indians were not aware of that book. Majority of the Indians have not gone through with that particular book, not have read that particular book. But majority of the people, 90% of the Indians were have already gone with that watching of that particular movie, Three Idiots. So that's the difference. No one is, no one no one is having that much time to go with the documents, PDFs, PDFs, and searching the Excel files, going with the Excel files, CSV files, notepads. These all things, no one is having that much time to go with these all files. And also previously we used to mostly people were interested towards the example in which way I can explain means, see, previously people were very much interested towards the reading novels and this. Nowadays it gone. Web series is in the same way. This also, no one is having that much time to go with that documents, PDFs, CSV files, Excel files to see the data. What क्या हुआ था मेरे डेटा में, what happened in my data, ఏం జరిగింది నా డేటా లోపల అని తెలుసుకోవాలి అంటే what happened inside my data, what is happening inside my data. If we want to know, a business owner or company owner, if he want to know, example and Mukesh Ambani, suppose example and Mukesh Ambani, if I go for the Mukesh Ambani or Adani, or suppose this political parties also like BJP, Congress, what happened in the previous elections and what is happening, what kind of data means, they don't have that much time to go with this all documents, PDF, these all things. They only prefer the data is in the form of visualizations, graphs, reports, and dashboards. Story, in which way the story we will prepare means reports and dashboards. Reports and dashboards. In which way we prepare means reports and dashboards. This data analytics analysts will prepare and they will present for this business owners or political leaders. Like in here, our party have won for 2 times and we lost for 1 time. What's the reason for it? They'll be making the reasons for it. What kind of reasons? They'll be searching for the reasons part. Why they were? Why is there any? schemes which were not satisfied them, or else like any community is dominating in dominating our party vote bank, then they each and every analysis they're going to do. Like in Prashant Kishore, you guys were heard of Prashant Kishore. Prashant Kishore is a political analyst. Prashant Kishore, even they have the data analyst under them. Why? Because like the data analyst only will prepare the reports and dashboards, right? Not only for the companies, for these political parties and political analysts and financial analysts, and these all things analyst. If you see the analyst word, they were doing something with data. They're playing something with data. They want to make some preparing story with that something with data. If you see this kind of roles, see HR analyst, financial analyst. HR analyst is nothing but data analyst only, working with HR related data, HR data. Financial analyst means two things will be there here. Few people will be analyzing stocks itself, and few people like working on working on finance, banking related data. The steps, everything is same. Everything is same. The steps which we are learning for this data analyst, steps and concepts, modules, techniques were same, but data is different. Data is different. Like HR data, HR data, banking data, pharma data. This is the difference mainly. That's it. This is the difference mainly. That's it. Apart from this, everything is same. Techniques is same. Data is same. Data is the domain, like HR domain, banking domain. Data is different, but the techniques which we were using is same. Techniques which we're using were same. That's it. Everything, every just only the domain data. But why they were pick HR for the HR related data? They only prefer for the HR's means. HR guy is having grip on that columns part, right? Columns and data of that HR related. HR guy can have that much info towards that particular data part. Okay, that's the reason. And also, and also, and also, that's the reason it diversified, and also people from the different sectors, different education backgrounds were suitable for this data analyst role. Beauty of data analytics is that it is not for the IT, this is not for the BTech guy, this is not for the degree guy, this is not for the MBA guy, this is not for the pharmaceutical guy, this is not for the pharma D guy, this is for everyone. This is not for MSc, BSc, BCom, BA, everyone is having their own importance to work as a data analyst for their particular educational background. Okay, and this is about this. Okay, fine. Techniques which we use is normally modules which we cover, modules which we cover: Excel, only data analysis with the Excel, not data entry. Excel, not data entry. Don't think that like Excel, if you are working with Excel, pay even in Excel also, in Excel we can prepare reports and dashboards. Reports and dashboards. Power BI visualization tool. Visualization tool. Mainly for visualization tool. And also Power BI is called as an advanced. We'll discuss that clearly. One module I'll pick. First of all, which modules we cover. Our agenda is now is modules which we cover. Modules which we cover. One second. One second, guys. Modules which we cover. After this, SQL. After this, Python with stats use cases. Not completely stats. People will. I have seen n number of institutes course curriculum. I have seen, guys. N number of institutes course curriculum I have seen. They were teaching stats, complete stats, which we have studied in 9th and 10th standard. No use. Just we have to know that way to use. Just we have to know that way to use this. Just we have to know that way to use this. That's what stats use cases. We will discuss here only stats use cases, way to use and math behind it. Cases. Okay, Python with stats use cases. No questions? Clear till here? Any questions? Okay, fine. Any questions? And also, I want you guys into the introduction, guys. Why? Because like if I'm going completely in this session, the topics which we cover, I said, I have gone with that. I've gone with this, and also we will elaborate this in tomorrow's session. Please, everyone has to attend this. And before that, I want to know you people's introduction, guys. One by one, one by one. Please unmute yourself. Please introduce yourself. And also, first of all, and also before that, projects which we are going to do is like the projects which we have done, which I have done earlier in the companies. Projects which I have done in the companies in the earlier part. Real-time projects which I have done in the earlier part. Real-time projects which I have done earlier. That I am going to give. Live projects, no one is going to share you the live projects. I'll bet you no one will share the data. Even I also, according to the company rules and norms which I'm working with, I should not share the live products and live data, these all things. I'll be sharing you the previous products which I've had worked with. Okay. Okay. And also we will discuss about the resume part also, in which way we can showcase the resume, which company product, which kind of resume will be, which how the resume has to be. Once after seeing resume in the Naukri, we have to hit apply, or else like what we have to do, we have to go to the company site, and number of things were there, and how the keywords will be. These all things we'll discuss in the session. If you join, literally you love the session. And also you guys, please one by one, please give the intro part, from which domain, experience, and why you have gathered, why you have joined the session. These all things I want to know, guys. Any one of you, please. If I completely going with from my end, if I'm going in a way like if I'm saying from my end and no interaction from you guys, and means that's not going to work, right? Any one of you, one by one, want to say something, want to know something?
Hey, this is Madhu. I've been working in the IT industry for past 6 years and I'm a Pega developer, but I'm willing to move to some other technology. So I was exploring and I thought maybe data analytics suits me. So I want to get trained in that. So I'm joining this session.
Okay, fine. Sorry to interrupt you. And also, great Madhu. After having 6 years of experience, I think Pega is like an no coding, right? In the same way, here also
Has
in
the logic, it has the JavaScript and logic. We couldn't say it's no coding, but we have to apply some logics and we have to write
logic,
code.
not that much, right?
Yeah, but it's not like writing Java, machine learning, like Java code or something like that, like computer language. But we have to write the logics and all. API integrations, everything will be there.
Okay. But here it is like only just what kind of Python is required, means like the very libraries plays a key role here.
Yeah.
Libraries plays a very key role here. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, C1. These were the backbone of this data analytics.
Okay.
So, and also here, and the Python, what kind, not Python is very easy language comparing to this Java and any other language. uh, Easy to learn, and also what requires for the data analytics, in that way only we goes. Okay, not that web development kind of Python will not be included, only the only the Python which require for this data analytics only will discuss. Okay,
Right.
this about the difference of that and this, I think. Okay, any one of you guys, any one of you, any one of you want to unmute yourself and talk? No one? Larvin, something saying?
Yes. I am Larvin from the Hyderabad. I am now in a final year of my engineering, and I just want to switch to I want to work in my future as a data analyst. So I have joined this session.
Okay, which kind of that BTech in that mechanical or which
I'm in mechanical engineering, yes.
mechanical? Okay. See, if you're in mechanic, it already have told, right? Like it is like completely not restricted to one particular education or any background.
Mhm.
They're going to pick your resume, like they're going to give you importance in terms of like if you're in, after seeing your mechanical as a background, most probably like mostly this manufacturing companies will prefer you as a data analyst, and this and is a scope for this, and this data analytics is like n number of opportunities. Why? Because like this isn't diversified, right? That's the thing. Not restricted to this one particular sector. Wherever business is there, data analyst is there. Wherever business is there, if the if one small retail retailer also, like suppose like retail supermarket chain also of 10 stores also, they are also having an one of the data analyst working with them. Why? Because like they want to know what exactly stories is in happening inside the data. Why we want to know the story inside the data means, after knowing story only, we can do something, we can take decisions on it. Without knowing the story of the data, how can we take the decisions? We cannot. Why? It plays a very important role after knowing the story. Where sales were increasing, where sales were increasing, whether that profits are going up or going down, and why, what's the reason for this? Why, if increased, what's the reason? If increased, what's the reason? If decreased, if decreased, what's the reason? What were the factors?
Okay. Mm.
All things will going to be considered. You're like in completely like, you yourself imagine yourself in the place of any other business owner, what you will do after having your past data. In the same way, what kind of approach and what kind of decisions you will take, what kind of role you play after having the past data with you. If you imagine yourself in the place of any business owner, and they will do that same thing. That's it. With the data part, without the data we cannot do anything. Even stocks also, like with the past data only, they're going to trade or invest, or with the past data, past information of the companies,
Start trading.
past information, stock trading and investing also, like past that graphs only, that graphs, after seeing that graphs, what is the they're going to see the weekly charts, daily, monthly charts. After that,
Mm.
that only, like they're going to predict like whether this going to this is an uptrend or downtrend, and
Mm.
what kind of story that present particular stock is saying. In that, for
Yeah, yeah. Very bullish.
we can able to predict in that way.
Yeah, yeah.
In the same way, there's also like past data in the same thing works in each and every sector also. Like suppose if you were having the past data, suppose Flipkart big billion day, suppose, have you heard of that? They'll be having the data of the previous big billion day data of the which they have gone earlier. Why? Because like according to that, they'll be arranging the inventory stock, and which kind of regions preferring which kind of stuff, and this all things they'll be pre-planned with the past data which they have.
Okay.
Anything else, guys? Anything else? Any one of you want to unmute yourself and have any queries, guys? Let me know.
And I have one question.
Okay. Okay. Hello. Hello. Vaishnav. Hello. Come again. One Vaishnav. Vaishnavi Samunuru. Okay. Vaishnavi Samunuru.
No, it's not me adding.
You're not okay.
No, no.
Okay, sorry. Someone want to talk? Who is it? No one? No one? No one? No one? Okay, fine. Any queries, guys? Like, see, session timings will be Monday to Friday, 1 hour class, 1 hour class, 7 p.m. to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Day to day, you'll be receiving day to day classwork, live classwork files, and day to day tasks. Everyday task will be there. Day to day tasks. Day to day tasks will be there. Okay. Day to day tasks will be there, and also live class files will be, you'll be receiving in live class files, and recordings part also you'll be receiving, and recordings also, day to day recordings will be receiving. This live class files part and recordings part. Live class files you can download, you can save it in your local system, or else like in any other drive folder. Recordings part, if I go for the recordings part, it will be restricted for few months, I think. That you have to check with management how many months you guys were having the access for the recordings part. Okay, that will be uploaded into the one WhatsApp group will be created for everyone. You can ask me if any queries you guys were having. Also, you can directly message me also, no worries about it. You can directly ping me on WhatsApp after creating a group, after completion of the enrollment, not now, after completion of the enrollment, after uh, these all things. Okay, and also in that you'll be receiving, you'll be receiving all these recordings and this day-to-day works of the all the drive links will be uploaded, drive links will be kept. Okay, clear? Anything else? Anything else? Any queries you guys want me to address? Please join tomorrow, guys. And any queries, let me know. Why? Because like we will elaborate this all things. Only we have just seen what intro part just we have seen, and also this modules which we cover we have seen. That's it. Modules which we cover we have seen. Intro part we have seen. Okay. And please join tomorrow. We will discuss in tomorrow's session. We will discuss the brief overview, like each and every module, how these modules were, and these all things we'll discuss. We will going to discuss. Anything else? Anything else, guys? Anything else? Any questions you guys want me to?
Hi, hi, sir.
Hi, Sam.
Uh, Actually, I'm from Vijayawada.
Okay.
I'm I'm a totally different this field. Like I'm studying hotel management. I'm passed
You
out
can
in
work as a data. You can work as a data analyst in hotel industry.
yeah yeah like there is a different field, right? We cannot touch the system also in hotel field. So
Hmm.
that's why I'm learn about the data analyst.
Hmm.
I have a
No.
small doubt.
Okay.
If you can data analyst, if you can teach into the starting point or like
From very basic, from very scratch.
sure.
Guys, we were going from very scratch.
Okay.
We're going from very scratch, and also no prerequisites. No prerequisites. No prerequisite. Nothing to learn. Nothing to know before joining this course. If you're beginner also, I'm here to help you guys from very scratch. I'll be going in a way like spoon feeding completely. You don't know anything. Just come and sit in class. That's it. It's more than enough for me. I'll dump all the concepts into your brain. That's it. I'll dump that is my responsibility to dump the concepts into your brain. Just what I want is here. Just you guys want to practice of you. If you guys are practicing for 1 hour or 2 hours, it's more than enough. That's it. That's it. Any other thing, guys? Someone? Sanju, I think. Sanju, you can, Sanju. Sanju, you were saying something. 3 months. Course duration is 3 months, and fees you can have to check with C. Sorry, I've not mentioned it. 3 months,
Hello. Hello.
and fees check with management. Come on, Sanju.
Hello, bro. Previously, I worked as a data analyst for 1 year. So, like, I just wanna get to know like what we are all learning. Like, I just joined the class,
On
so I
which
don't know
domain?
any.
On which domains you have worked as a data analyst? Which kind of module?
Previous, yeah. Previously, I worked as BI analyst. Yeah.
Which modules?
So,
Which modules?
yeah, Power BI.
Power BI. Okay, here we'll be
Yeah.
covering about Power BI. We will cover SQL will cover, Excel will
Yeah,
cover,
yeah,
Python with
yeah, bro. I
libraries and
know Excel, Power BI, and SQL, but I want to know like Python and with
libraries. Python and its
any
libraries.
libraries.
NumPy,
Yeah, any
Pandas,
library.
Matplotlib,
Yeah,
Sequel, all
yeah,
these. You
yeah,
cannot
bro.
say that which kind of task and which kind of work they are going to allot you in as a data analyst among this
Okay.
all modules, right?
Okay, here we are learning like advanced Excel, Power BI, SQL, and Python.
Only the advanced Excel means like data analysis with Excel. That's it. Like how we
Okay.
remove duplicates and replace missing values, and how the charts are prepared, and how statistical functions.
Okay.
What required
Yeah.
for the data analyst part, not for the completely an MIS executive part.
Okay. Fine.
Got it.
Yeah.
And also
Yeah.
this Python and its libraries, and also you can also clean that entire stuff. What you will do in this Power BI, you can also do here in Python also.
Okay. Yeah.
Data
I know the. I know
cleaning.
that how clean. Like I don't know. I haven't worked previously as a Python developer, so I don't know
No, no,
that
no.
much
That
about Python.
developer
So
developer part is different. Different. Python.
okay.
Here we focus mainly on how to handle this cleaning, missing values, and outlier. This all concepts will be in different. That is a different story and core part. There will be going for the different, and here you focus on data. Like before preparing a story, suppose if they made a movie, they'll do some editing, editing screen, that what that where to keep which scene. That all scene will be prepared, right? In the here also same. These all things we will do, like how duplicates and how these all things.
yeah, like remind how many demo classes remain?
Tomorrow, and tomorrow is also another demo class is there. We'll see overview of these tools and modules which we uses. Overview of these tools and modules which we uses. This we will see.
Yeah, okay, bro. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. There is
Yeah.
no that restricted for this data analyst. You don't know which kind of work you guys were going to receive and which module, which tool you don't know, but you
By
have to
any
go.
chance, like, do you teach like Azure? Like, I wanna learn Azure concepts, cloud concepts. Like, yeah.
Cloud concepts were not here. Cloud concepts were not a part of data analytics core curriculum, right?
No. Cloud, we can do everything in the cloud as well. Like, uh, I don't know much about cloud, but I am trying to learn more cloud. It's like,
In which way everything in cloud means in which way and no. We in Power BI we normally a few companies only prefer cloud, right? In every company is not right. Only few I think.
okay,
We have
uh,
I haven't worked on cloud previously. Just
okay. But
I
like,
no we won't discuss that. Okay, Sanjo.
yeah, okay, bro. It's like I'm studying my masters in UK. So like here we are like here most of the companies are looking for uh like Azure roles. So that's why I'm asking. That's it.
That is related to Azure data engineering, Sanju. Okay.
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 Fine,
So
fine.
if
Okay,
anyone
fine.
wants details about fee structure and like duration, please WhatsApp on 9652532383 so that I'll share all the details like course content and fees details and duration.
Nine
Okay,
six
fine.
five two
5253
965253253.
2383.
See
Six
guys.
five.
Yes. So who are joined for this demo, just please text me on this number so that I'll share the recording. And tomorrow also it's continuation to today's class.
It's like, and I just wanna ask you one thing, like, which data are we working from tomorrow? It's like, if we join the course, like, which data are we working?
CSV
If we
files and
join the
Excel
course.
files, we'll be working with CSVs and Excel files. And also
Okay,
we will create the databases. In the databases in SQL part, we'll be creating our own tables.
okay,
Okay, like
so
completely their data manipulation kind of thing. What exactly happening inside it, we have to bring it out and we have to showcase that into the above part. Here in
okay.
Excel and CSV files, we'll be working with, and in that story, how this cleaning process and how this missing values handling and
We are
this
not
all.
working with live data, right? Just excellent
No one,
CSV
no
data.
one, no as previous data only. I already told why because like live data is like very difficult for everyone, not only me. No one will share you with you.
Okay, fine. I just joined, so like I don't know like what you said previously, so I just
And also,
joined.
if I
So that's
ask
fine.
you to bring if I ask you to bring an data from your company, will you?
Okay, I don't.
No one. In the same way.
Okay, fine. Yeah, bro, that's fine.
Anything else, guys?
Veera Lakshmi has asked some question in chat box. Can you please see that?
Well, okay. Is it mandatory to learn Power BI with Python or only the Power BI tool itself is enough? Everything is both were mandatory. Both were mandatory. Power BI and Python is also mandatory. Four modules: Excel, SQL, Python, Power BI. This all modules were mandatory. Why? Because like, and also these were interlinked, Lakshmi. Why? Because like the each and topics and concepts were interlinked. If you if you're going with one and the same, you can easily go with this Power BI. Excel advanced version is nothing but Power BI, and topics and concepts were interlinked. Only just Python is like a very easy language in this. No need to worry about the Python. Very easy language. Not having that multiple lines of code like C, C++, and Java. Very easy language. Fewer lines of code. Easy to write. Easy to program. Okay. We have to learn both. Anything else, guys? Please join the tomorrow session. We'll see this all modules overview, like Excel, Power BI, and Python. This overview we'll see. Okay. Anything else? Let me know. If any queries, you can stay back. If no queries, you guys can leave.